You ever notice someone who barely speaks, but somehow always seems 3 steps ahead of everyone else? They're not antisocial or weird. They're just operating on a completely different level. Psychology reveals that quiet people have developed specific mental habits that give them serious advantages over louder personalities. Let's break down the real psychology behind how quiet people outsmart others. 1. They master the power of observation. While everyone else is talking, quiet people are watching. They're reading body language, catching micro-expressions, and picking up on things others completely miss. Psychologists call this social scanning. Their brains are constantly collecting data about people's motivations, fears, and desires. They know who's lying, who's insecure, and who's pretending to be something they're not. This gives them a massive advantage in every interaction because they understand people better than people understand themselves. 2. They think before they speak. Most people talk to process their thoughts, but quiet people process internally first. This means when they finally do speak, their words carry weight. They've already considered multiple angles, potential outcomes, and the best way to communicate their point. Psychologists call this cognitive elaboration. While others are stumbling through conversations, quiet people deliver precise, impactful statements that cut straight to the heart of any issue. 3. They use strategic silence as a weapon. Silence makes people uncomfortable, so they fill the void by revealing more than they intended. Quiet people know this. They'll ask a question and then just wait. The other person will keep talking, sharing secrets, admitting weaknesses, or exposing their true agenda. It's like psychological jujitsu. They're using other people's discomfort against them to gather information and gain control of situations. 4. They avoid emotional reactivity. When drama erupts, quiet people stay calm and detached. They don't get pulled into arguments or make decisions based on emotions. This emotional regulation gives them clarity when everyone else is losing their minds. They can see solutions others miss because they're not clouded by anger, fear, or ego. That's real power. 5. They choose their battles wisely. Quiet people understand that not every situation requires their input. They save their energy for moments that truly matter. When they do engage, it's calculated and purposeful. This selective engagement makes their actions more impactful and their words more valuable. The truth is, quiet people aren't just sitting back passively. They're playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Their silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. And that's exactly why they consistently outsmart louder personalities who mistake volume for intelligence.